Tukitana mbere na atito ingi na ndi ngwataniro ya ARIUGA University za janthi gorone itongeretwe ni barombete abunge bagwithi Muswanda jwa kigina ke mwaka juju jo 2023 wona jwa ikwa mbunge na ara Muswanda juju jo kwendekithia ati ARIUGA bonthe bathirikari bagitawa gichunji ke bithato ke michara yao kenda mbeche yu tiumba gutetheria gwaka nyomba cia mari janthi kuringana na mwandiki wa Kusu Muswanda augite bakeja kugitwa mbeche yu baingi bao bagatiwa bari NKEA mukeo na thirikari ni batere kwaraniria nabo mbere ya kuthithia ntububo.
Gitakala lwale lwendelete gatigati ga Kenya lokona Muswanda lwendekithitwe ni Rais William Ruto ukoni no giti na ulibwa goti kiama kia ARIUGA University nikiumeletie kumenele Muswanda ju Muswanda ni mwandiki munene wa kiama giki.
If the proposed finance bill 2023 is going to be passed the way it is at the moment, then workers within the public service sector are going to be overtaxed.
Kulinga na Muswanda yendikithira Muswanda jula kuongera goti kiri marima NSSF, NHIF, PE amuna gwikira marima nyomba kana house levy likanyiria rutuwera bala kugabamba gutigwa batena gintu mukoni kumani na misara ya thaino.
We said so because when you look at what the government is proposing to increase on NSSF to 6%, that is a lot of money. From what members are currently paying, you increase it by 6%. You go to NHIF, again, members are paying $1,700 every month. You want to increase that by 2.75%. And then you come to NSSF, NHIF, pay to 35%. And then there is the new kid on the block, the proposed housing fund levy at 3%. Now what we viewed is that at the end of the day, this employee will be having a total of 52% of his or her income monthly being taxed or going to tax. So what does she or he remain with? He only remains with 48%. But look, that 48% is not that is what he's going to take home, but he's going to use that 48% to pay for services and goods which attract another 16% VAT. So literally, this employee will remain with nothing.
Muswanda aluga thirikari ni batele wikala ndina rutuwera na kubadhikielia kulinga na bora katiba ikwendekithia.
Not only that it's going to overburden this employee, but that also the government did not sit down with these employees or their representatives to consult or seek consent, because the law under the Employment Act 2007, section 26(2) protects what an employee benefits or gets. That if you want to deduct or reduce, then you must do it through consent, mutual consent. Or you must engage his or her union representatives to negotiate. Did the government do any of those? It did not do it. It's just raiding these pay slips and taking money from these employees.
Mwandiki jo munene wa kiama kia ARIUGA University leo ni arutia bunge kuregana na Muswanda jo amona kule thirikari kuraithire mikataba ya CBA ya ARIUGA kienda kubongera misara ona mbele ya mbelia kugita misara eno. Rais William Ruto akele muthenya omde alintere Nyandarua nawe ni athire na mbele gutetera Muswanda jo wa thirikari.
We requested that Parliament reject that particular bill in its current format. And we asked the government to shelve those taxations, and that the government instead fast tracks conclusion and negotiations of the delayed collective bargaining agreement that will give these employees at least an increment in the emoluments. Once you have increased, then perhaps one will be justified to now come and deduct your 3 or 4 extra% from my salary. But here I am, for the last 7 years, I've never gotten any salary increase. The inflation has hit and is still hitting. Now you want to come and take away that little that I'm having. Why don't you increase what I'm earning first, then come for the 3% housing levy?
Kuma mji munene wa Nairobi, Mbeta Antony, Rangi wa Kathenya.